becoming the Grail. Breathing into your heart. Spine straight, feet on the earth. Filling your whole being with precious air. And relaxing your shoulders. Feeling your space and time. Your connection to the earth with your feet. Into your heart. Settling yourself. If you need to, put your hands in prayer over your heart, just to feel this area of your body and place awareness here. And breathe in. And breathe out. Be aware of nature around you. The birds singing. The bees. Your breath. And feel yourself merging with nature with every breath, becoming one. The birds sing the song of divine life force, lifting the vibration of every day at dawn, connecting their song, which lifts the vibration of the environment. And when we listen, it lifts our heart and our vibration. Opens our heart, helps us to feel our place in space and time, in love. And this tangible energy that I feel in my heart is the life force that flows through all living things. Earth, crystalline, water. With the fire of the sun and the life-giving waters, life is created. And water with the sun, the fire and the water, create life, matter, body. Life came from the ocean, which I feel is a feminine mother aspect of life. The father, sun, the fire. These two together create the child, matter, earth, atoms and ions, and the crystalline structure of earth comes together. With the divine life force flowing through all matter, all life. When we settle into our hearts, we embody the Grail. When the golden sphere of light in our hearts emits, the sphere emits brighter and larger, connecting us with nature. As we breathe in now, imagine this gold sphere going down, sending a beautiful, energetic beam down into the center of the earth. Our love from our heart goes down into the earth, into the center of the earth, giving our love and appreciation and gratitude of the tiny birds. All life our life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now breathe in, and the energy and love and gratitude of earth comes back up through the crystalline structures of precious and semi-precious gems. The fire, the magnetic energy and resonance of the earth comes back up your feet into your body and mixes and rejuvenates every cell and atom and ion in your being. Crystalline frequencies carry energy in a pure harmonic frequency. We have crystals in our eyes, in our ears. We cry salt tears. These connect with the mineral kingdom of earth, which we are a part of. When we lift our vibration, the crystal aspects in our being also emit a higher frequency. When we merge into nature, nature merges with us. Our resonance becomes higher. Feel this crystalline magnetic energy coming up into your body, recharging and revigorating every cell, atom and ion in your being, in the waters of your being. Divine liquefied light, as I've been saying for many years, holds the pure, true, healing frequency of life. When we hold that knowing within us that water is pure, it guides us to the trees, the herbs, the plants, and the people that we desire for our highest good, that can make us healthier and happier. So bringing that earth energy into our heart, we feel the love of earth, the miracle of life on earth. Life on earth in such complexity is a complete miracle. Like the bumblebee flying. Miraculous, the weight of his body with his tiny wings. The resonance of the song helps to lift him. And when we step into this knowing that divine, eternal life force, spirit is coming through us, through our souls and our spirit, the eternal life, connecting us with the finite body. The eternal soul nurtures and caretakes the body, which knows that it's finite, consoles it, nurtures it, looks after it, helps it to be as healthy as it can, to house this beautiful eternal spirit in this beautiful precious body that connects us to the beautiful precious earth. The Grail aspect of ourselves is understanding our sacredness, this sacred earth, all life upon it, of which we are a part of. When we start coming into this knowing that we are the eternal life-flowing waters, we are the eternal life-flowing spirit, in the finite, beautiful, precious treasure, body, matter, then we can start living miracle consciousness, which nature is. We are that nature. We are the miracle consciousness that exists. This was shown to me very clearly with the song of a wren when I was walking in a valley. The song was so exquisite. It was only a few feet away from me. I felt this song open my heart, and I exploded into tears because I felt the resonance of this beautiful song connect with something in me, something that was me. And I realised that the essence, the pure essence of this song was an aspect of myself deep down inside that many of us no longer hear because we coat our hearts with a casing to protect it. Things may have happened in our past where our hearts closed, where we were happy as children to give love, to sing, to dance, to draw, to paint, to want others to feel the joy that we feel from doing these activities. We want others to create and sing and dance, to feel the joy, so we can share the joy, like the birds share the song. But somewhere along the way, we've been put down, our love hasn't been honoured. So we shut down our hearts and we build fortresses around them. The sacred heart remains pure inside. But how far it takes to get in and listen and hear it is another matter. So when we begin to start clearing our hearts, dissolving the barriers, slowly, gently, being gentle to ourselves, releasing the judgments, issues, doubts and fears, so that we can again hear our hearts sing and feel the vibration of divine life force in body, embodying the Grail in matter, the divine spirit in matter, in the heart, with the divine fire, life force, and the divine liquefied light, the life-giving waters, and the sacred earth, matter, being, crystalline, magnetic, body. Breathe in this knowing. Now feel the heart energy in your heart, glowing gold, even brighter now, as we send up the love and the light, up, out, up into the higher heavenly realms, into the solar sun, into the angelic realms, Father Sky, Source, the heavenly spheres, whatever you feel is right for you. Send your love up to the heavenly realm, giving your love. I've seen the tree sucking up the water through its roots into its heart, the trunk, sending the water up through the branches, and I've seen a red, crimson, pink energy coming out of the branches, reaching up to the stars. When we pull up this earth energy, we commune with the cosmos by sending up earth's energy throughout us, reaching up to the stars and giving our love. The sun, the angelics, the ancestors, all in the other realms, waiting for us to know that they're there so that they can help us on our path. Ancestors waiting, hoping we'll hear them one day, that we'll open our hearts and be able to hear. When heart opens, it connects us to all life on earth and all realms. I've been told this very clearly. And the birds are the conduit between the angelic and the ancestral realm into the physical realm, into the human realm. And when we open our hearts and hear the birds sing, and we nurture nature, and nature nurtures us. Now we breathe in and we feel the energy and the love coming back from the cosmos, from the central solar sun, from the angelic realm, from the ancestors. Breathe in this golden love. Breathe in. Feel the love of the heavenly realm coming into your heart, bringing with it the love of the ancestors that have gone before. And may you start to listen more and feel the guidance that is for your highest good. Feel this heavenly divine energy mixing with the earthly energy in your heart, creating heaven on earth within you, bringing your higher self into your body. the heavenly aspects, the divine aspect of life force into you, into the earth. Now we form a torus of energy, bringing this gold light down through the heart, down into the centre of the earth, emitting it down, and it's going out of the earth now, and then out into the cosmos, and then back in through the top of our head, from the heavenly realm, down through us, down. Breathe in, forming a big donut, torus shape, emitting. Breathing in the heavenly, down into the earth, emitting it out into the earth, blessing the earth. The earth emits this energy, and it comes in above us. As crow flies over my head, comes in through our crown, down. We become a conduit of energy, of love, circulating. And now we can flow it the other way, from our hearts back out to the heavenly realm, and round into the cosmos, back in through the earth, up through our feet, through our hearts, out to the top of our heads, circulating around like a big donut, back into us, through our hearts and back out. Feeling this resonance of heaven on earth becoming us as we become higher nature, our higher purpose, our higher selves, our true nature. Feeling with our hearts. Within our heart we have heart wisdom. Heart wisdom connects to all knowing, all loving, all wise, all peaceful, tangible spirit that flows through all life. We are this tangible spirit that flows through all life. And when we slip into our hearts, we feel nothing but joy when our hearts are clear and true. May we return to the balance of our sacred selves on this sacred earth at this sacred time of heaven on earth. May our hearts open and may we feel the bliss and joy and love and beauty around us and within us, as there is no separation when we remove our human issues. We become one with nature and we merge in love. A phoenix, pheasant. I feed the birds every morning before I feed myself, and it's just a beautiful way to start the day. Nurture nature, and nature nurtures. Breathe in, feel your space, feel your place in space and time, in love. Heaven in body, embodying the Grail, in love, in life.